Welcome to Tips in a Minute, a series of quick tutorials that covers the basics of navigating the NIH Library's resources. This tutorial will cover how to find the full text of a journal article. To get started, head to the library's website at nihlibrary.nih.gov. Be sure you are logged into the site. We're going to search for the article Cognitive Motor Dissociation in Disorders of Consciousness that was published in the New England Journal of Medicine. From the homepage, click on the Journals button. Next, enter the title of the journal your article was published in and search. As you can see, there may be several results for your journal title. Be sure to select the correct title. There are several ways to find your article. One option is under Full Text Availability. You could click on the database with coverage that includes your article publication date. Alternatively, you can enter the title of the article in the Search Inside option. Now you can just click on the PDF or the option to read online. If you need help searching for journal articles or with logging in to the NIH Library website, click on Ask a Question in the top level menu.
This content was created by the NIH Library. Thank you for watching.